Quote, in order for a seed to become a tree, it must first stop being a seed. It is a metaphorical statement that can be interpreted in various ways, but generally it conveys the idea of growth and transformation. Let's break it down. Symbolism of a seed. In this context, the seed represents a starting point, potential for growth, or an initial stage in a process. It could be seen as a metaphor for potential, possibilities, or beginnings. Becoming a tree. The transformation of the seed into a tree symbolizes growth, development, and maturity. A tree is the result of a seed realizing its full potential and undergoing a significant transformation, stopping being a seed. This part suggests that for the seed to fulfill its purpose and become a tree, it must undergo a fundamental change or transition. It needs to shed its current form to embrace the next stage of its existence. Implications for life. This quote can be applied to various aspects of life. It suggests that personal growth and development often require letting go of old ways, comfort zones, and familiar patterns. To achieve something greater or to reach one's full potential, there may be a need to undergo changes, leave behind the old self, and embrace transformation. In practical terms, it might encourage you to be open to change, to embrace challenges and opportunities for personal and professional development. It highlights the idea that growth often involves the process of shedding old habits or mindsets and adopting new ones. Ultimately, the quote invites reflection on the nature of personal development and transformation, emphasizing that progress often involves a willingness to let go of the familiar and step into the unknown. With heartfelt appreciation, your companion on this journey.